Hey everybody, I hope that you are doing well. As you can see, I've got a look for you today, and today I am using something store-bought. Now when you think of store-bought, you kind of think about a cake that doesn't taste all that grand or whatever, but today I'm actually talking about a headband wig. Now this headband wig I actually bought from my local beauty supply, and I really wanted to see if it would work for me, if it would come out okay. You know, sometimes when you buy things from the beauty supply, they can say one thing and really kind of do another. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you would, make sure that you stick around a little bit, like this video, subscribe, make sure that you push that bell notification so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so I bought, like I said, I purchased this unit from my beauty supply here in Georgia, and I don't usually buy their hair at all. I haven't bought hair in the beauty supply other than like braiding hair or something like that. I haven't bought hair in a long time. So what I have here, this is actually by B2B AA. Never heard of that brand. That's why I said let me go ahead and try a brand that I've never used before, never heard of, and so that's what kind of caught my eye in the store. So this is the P2B. I think I said B2B, but it's P2BAA. Proud to be African American. Now I have never heard of this brand, but obviously she is really nice. You've got the picture, of course, of this look. It's called the Wet and Wavy. I love to try, when I try brands, I like to try the curly hair. If you can get the curly hair right, then usually the others are kind of okay. So this is the curly, no, this is the wavy, Wet and Wavy. It says straight to wavy right here. So I thought that was kind of interesting for the price, and I'll show you all of that in a moment. I'll show you the unboxing and everything. It does show, some information here of how the wig is constructed and all of that. It's in a natural black color. Natural black color. It says that it's 24 inches. I have worn 24 plus. This is barely 24. I would not say 24 because it's 24 inches long. That's what they're saying. So we're gonna see. Go ahead, band wig. Just something I can wear just for every day. I know it is very wavy, as you can see. So maybe, you know, maybe it is 24 if I straighten it. This time I did not straighten it. I kind of just took it right out the box and wanted to see if it was going to work for me. I'm trying to get ready for work. I'm trying to make sure that I have a great Friday and all of that. And I've got to meet my students in a little bit. But my hair, as you can see, is a total mess. As you can see in the beginning of this video, you will be able to see how I'm actually looking this morning. It's nice and early in the morning, and so I just wanted to make sure that I was able to look my best, because on tomorrow I will be getting my hair braided. And so what I like to do, after I shampoo and condition my hair, I will blow dry it a little bit, but I'll twist it really good. I'll put twists all over my head to kind of help with the stretching process. It doesn't straighten my hair or anything like that. I have 4C hair. It doesn't straighten my hair, but it does kind of give me, it makes it a little bit easier for the person who will be braiding my hair. But let's get into this. This is a 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin Remy. Now, when I hear Remy, I think of hair that is kind of put in the same direction, like on the track. It's in the same direction. I think of extra care and things like that. But what I was really looking for was human hair. Now, call me old-fashioned, But when you have something that is 100% human hair, you would think that it would say that. But maybe they're saying Brazilian virgin Remy, maybe that's enough, or unprocessed, maybe that's enough for them. So I did check to see if it curled, and yes it did. So I was really happy about that. I think my curling iron was a little bit too hot, but it curled just fine and all of that, so I was happy to see that. But the price, guys, the price that I paid for this was $149. I would say that the density would be like a 150. For me, I would love a 200, right? I like big hair. I would love for it to sit out like this. You know what I'm saying? I would love for the hair to sit out a little bit more, but as far as everything else, I am so pleased to see it. So if you're interested, here we go. I would like for it to sit out a little bit more, but I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. Okay, so as you can see, this is the finished look. This is one of my fastest videos that I've ever done. I'm really pleased with how everything came out. I'm just trying to get to work, and I'm trying to get to work on time. But I had to shampoo my hair. I'm going to get my hair braided in early in the morning, Saturday morning. So I wanted to make sure that I had my hair all dried and blow dried and washed and conditioned and all of that. But then, what am I going to do in the day, right? What am I going to do to make sure that I look presentable, or that I look okay, or that I look like me, right? So I wanted to try something just a little different to make sure that that I didn't scare any of my students, that I kind of look like myself, you know what I mean? So this is how it came out. I'm pleased with the look. I'm pleased with how it came out. This is just kind of my little fun headband. You don't have to use headbands like this, of course. It comes with a black headband. You can use that. Or here's another black one with a little knot tie thingy. I don't know if you could see that, but it's got the little knot tie thingy on the top. So you can rock that look as well. This is even the perfect style if you don't want to show any of your edges. As you can see, I just put just a little bit of the black edge control on mine because I've had some thinning edges from using lace wigs. So this is something that I may go to even after I wear braids and things like that, just to allow for my edges to grow back. So I'll do some work on them even while I have braids and while I have this wig now. So I'm really excited. I'm really kind of surprised at how the wig came out. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just so used to those half wigs. You know, those little half wigs that sometimes would have the comb all the way across, or would have a comb right here and you just comb your hair, you know, over the half wig, and it's like a synthetic. They're like $20. So that's kind of what I'm used to. But to have something like this where none of my hair is out is actually a plus. It's actually a good thing. So if you think that this may be a great addition to your own hair collection, make sure that you check them out. Proud to be, what was it? Wait, let me check it again. It was this is not something that is easy to remember. They got to work on this name because this name is not like easy to remember. Okay, so it's P2BAA. Proud to be African American. So if you want to try one of these wigs, make sure that you do so. Check them out, and they are at www.rnbwig. All right. .com, which is actually the R&B Collection Inc. So I've heard of them, but I've never heard of this particular brand. So check them out if you get a chance. I'll make sure that I leave all the information down in the description box for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video.